Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the Gann SSL indicator for MT4 and MT5. My emphasis is going to be on the MT4 version. So if you want to download either of the versions, just check the description below. You're going to find the link to download the MT4 version and the MT5 version as well. All right. So after downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder for your platform, be it MT4 or MT5, and then you paste the indicator file inside the indicators folder. All right. After doing that, just head over to your navigator, right click and refresh. Now, after refreshing, you should find the indicator here. All right, after refreshing, you should find your Gann SSL indicator. If you still can't find it, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, so let's just look for the Gann SSL. All right, we're just going to drag and drop. Ensure that you allow DLL imports box is checked. And then as for the input settings, you can see the LB is set at 10 for the default value. All right, now this tool, this indicator blends the Gann's market principles with SSL channel logic. Okay, so it helps you to identify trend direction, and potential reversals. Right, whenever you have price trading above the indicator line, of course it shows that the trend is bullish. And when you have price trading below the indicator line, it shows that the trend is bearish. Okay, in simple terms, right? Ensure that you always, get confirmations before you execute a trade, though. Right? When you get a bullish signal, basically when price crosses above the indicator line, and then you see that it begins to trade above it, you can be looking out for bullish confirmation candlestick patterns, to determine your entry points. Okay, and then you can exit around resistance zones. Then for your sell trades, perhaps when price drops below the indicator line, you can actually execute a sell trade after you get a bearish confirmation candlestick pattern, and you can exit your sell trades around support zones. Okay. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right, cheers and God bless.